Sexual energy is a powerful force within us, often misunderstood and underestimated. It's the energy of life itself, driving our desires, creativity, and connection to others. This energy fuels our passions and ignites our inner fire, pushing us to explore new horizons. This energy is not just about sex. It's a vital force that fuels our entire being. It influences our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, intertwining with every aspect of our lives. Understanding this energy is the first step towards harnessing its potential. By becoming aware of it, we can learn to channel it effectively. Imagine a river flowing with immense power, carving its path through the landscape. This river represents your sexual energy, a potent source of vitality and creativity. Just like a river, it can nourish and sustain life, or it can become destructive if not properly managed. When we tap into this energy consciously, we can direct it towards our goals and aspirations. It becomes a tool for personal growth and transformation. This energy is not something to be feared or suppressed. Instead, it should be embraced and celebrated as a natural part of our existence. It's a natural and beautiful part of who we are, a source of strength and inspiration. By embracing our sexual energy, we can live more fulfilling and joyful lives. It allows us to connect deeply with ourselves and others, fostering a sense of unity and harmony. Sexual energy is often associated solely with physical intimacy, but its significance extends far beyond the bedroom. It is a powerful force that influences many aspects of our lives, often in ways we don't immediately recognize. It is the driving force behind our creativity, our passions, and our desire for connection. This energy fuels our artistic expressions, our musical compositions, and even the culinary masterpieces we create. When we tap into this energy, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. It allows us to connect more deeply with ourselves and others, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. This energy is not limited to physical acts of love. It permeates our daily activities, from the way we move our bodies to the way we nurture our relationships. It can be channeled into creative pursuits, spiritual practices, and personal growth. By harnessing this energy, we can achieve a greater sense of fulfillment and purpose in our lives. When we embrace our sexual energy, we embrace our full potential as human beings. It empowers us to overcome challenges, reach new heights, and experience life more fully. By understanding the true nature of sexual energy, we can begin to see its influence in all aspects of our lives. It is a guiding force that shapes our thoughts, actions, and interactions. It is the energy of creation, of connection, and of life itself. Embracing this energy allows us to live more authentically and harmoniously, enriching our existence in profound ways. Throughout history, ancient cultures have recognized and revered the power of sexual energy. From the tantric traditions of India to the Taoist practices of China, sexual energy has been seen as a sacred force to be cultivated and harnessed. Ancient civilizations understood the importance of balancing and directing this energy for spiritual growth and physical well-being. They developed practices and techniques to channel this energy, recognizing its potential to enhance vitality, creativity, and consciousness. These ancient traditions offer valuable insights into the transformative power of sexual energy. By studying and incorporating these practices, we can tap into this ancient wisdom and unlock our own potential.
Harnessing sexual energy can lead to profound transformations in our lives. It can boost our creativity, enhance our relationships, and deepen our connection to ourselves and the world around us. When we learn to channel this energy consciously, we unlock our full potential. Imagine feeling more alive, more passionate, and more connected to your own inner power. This is the transformative potential of sexual energy. By directing this energy, we can manifest our desires, achieve our goals, and live with greater purpose. This energy is not something to be feared or suppressed. It is a powerful force for good, capable of transforming our lives in profound and beautiful ways.
Section 5. Tapping into your wellspring. Practical techniques for channeling sexual energy. There are many practical techniques for channeling sexual energy. These techniques are not about suppressing or denying this energy, but rather about understanding and directing it in a healthy and positive way. These techniques, often rooted in ancient practices, can be easily incorporated into daily life. By practicing these techniques regularly, we can begin to experience the transformative power of sexual energy firsthand. Remember, the key is to approach these techniques with an open mind and a willingness to explore. The journey of harnessing sexual energy is a personal one, and the rewards are well worth the effort. Section 6. Breathwork, igniting the spark within. Breathwork is a powerful tool for awakening and directing sexual energy. By focusing on our breath, we can calm the mind, relax the body, and cultivate a deeper awareness of our own energy. Through specific breathing exercises, we can increase the flow of energy throughout the body, awakening our senses and enhancing our vitality. These exercises can be as simple as taking slow, deep breaths, or as involved as practicing ancient techniques like Kundalini yoga. Breathwork is a fundamental practice for harnessing sexual energy. It is a simple yet profound way to connect with our inner power and direct it towards our desired outcomes. Section 7. Movement and meditation. Cultivating flow and awareness. Movement and meditation are essential practices for channeling sexual energy. Through mindful movement, we can release blockages, increase circulation, and cultivate a deeper connection to our bodies. Meditation allows us to quiet the mind and become more aware of our thoughts, emotions, and sensations. This heightened awareness is crucial for understanding and directing our sexual energy. By incorporating movement and meditation into our daily lives, we create a harmonious balance between our physical, mental, and energetic bodies, allowing sexual energy to flow freely and naturally. Section 8. Visualization and Affirmations. Directing your energy for transformation. Visualization and affirmations are powerful tools for directing sexual energy towards our goals and aspirations. By visualizing our desired outcomes and repeating positive affirmations, we send a clear message to our subconscious mind, aligning our energy with our intentions. When we combine visualization with the energy of sexual energy, we amplify its power, making our desires more likely to manifest in our lives. Affirmations help to reprogram our subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering truths. These practices help us to consciously direct our sexual energy, transforming it from a raw force into a focused beam of creative power. Section 9. Integrating sexual energy into daily life. A path to enhanced vitality and creativity. Integrating sexual energy into our daily lives doesn't require drastic changes. It's about making small shifts in our awareness and our actions. By bringing more consciousness to our bodies, our breath, and our energy, we can tap into this powerful force in everything we do. Simple practices like mindful walking, conscious eating, and engaging in creative pursuits can become avenues for channeling sexual energy. The key is to approach our daily activities with a sense of presence and intention. By integrating sexual energy into our daily lives, we infuse our everyday experiences with passion, purpose, and vitality. Section 10. Embracing your sexual energy. A journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Embracing your sexual energy is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's a path that invites you to delve deep into your own being, to understand and appreciate the essence of who you are. It's about accepting yourself fully, embracing your desires, and honoring the sacredness of your body. This acceptance is a powerful act of self-love and respect. As you learn to harness this energy, you'll unlock hidden potential and experience life with greater passion and joy. This energy can be a source of creativity, vitality, and profound personal growth. Remember, this journey is uniquely yours. It's a personal exploration that is different for everyone, shaped by your own experiences and feelings. There's no right or wrong way to explore and embrace your sexual energy. Each step you take is a step towards greater self-awareness and empowerment. Trust your intuition, listen to your body, and allow yourself to experience the transformative power of this vital life force. Your body knows what it needs, and your intuition will guide you. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that sexual energy is not something to be feared or controlled, but rather a source of immense power and potential waiting to be unleashed. Embrace it with an open heart and mind, and let it lead you to new heights of self-discovery and empowerment. Section 11. Conclusion: Unleashing the power within. Sexual energy is a powerful force within each of us, capable of transforming our lives in profound ways. By understanding its nature, embracing its potential, and learning to channel it consciously, we can unlock hidden reserves of creativity, vitality, and joy. The journey of harnessing sexual energy is a personal one, filled with self-discovery and empowerment. As you explore the techniques and practices outlined in this essay, remember to approach them with an open mind, a compassionate heart, and a willingness to embrace the fullness of who you are. The power to transform your life lies within you. Embrace your sexual energy and unleash the incredible potential that awaits.